Thank you so much first. Thanks for coming to our stall and having a good time at the rally and of course at your bike week. It's nothing to do with anything going wrong, but basically this year a lot is to do with the experience. So this is one time in a year that we throw experiences to our existing customers. So we thought let's invest a lot in giving back to the community. So this time we had a big India Hog Rally party and we had more than 2,500 Hardis coming. Then we had the Big Five night. The Big Five night is all about the 5 zonal rallies people attend. So we had close to 183 people doing the Big Five. So the idea was to give back to the community and spend more from an experience and from a monetary standpoint there. But impact is still there. I don't think so that you don't think we are no more title sponsors if you look at the venue. So yeah, that's the main reason. So like we're expanding and as a brand we want to reach out to more and more people. And when I say more and more people, means potential customers who we would want to come and be part of the community and the brotherhood. So we just launched the Legend on Top. It's right at India Bike Week. So it's going to be traveling to different parts of the country, and it's developed and curated and innovated by DC themselves. So it's one of its kind. It's going to be traveling all across the country, but it's also something which is like a dealership on wheels. So once the bus is going to be going to the dealer, and what the dealer needs to basically do is park the bus, take out the bikes, and you're ready to roll. So it's just to give that experience back to people who may not be able to go to the dealerships, because we have 21 dealerships now. We just opened the one in Coimbatore. So that was the main thing for us. But there's another big initiative we are going to launch soon, which is, of course, and Vikram also spoke about it, it's on confident riding. So we'll be doing a lot of other things with our dealerships and our customers on confident riding. From a brand perspective, Harley-Davidson is all about we fulfill dreams of personal freedom, and the freedom word itself says that as a brand we will never preach somebody to wear what they want, but we definitely promote confident riding. When I say confident riding, that you wear riding gear. So every time our customer picks up a motorcycle, we always tell them that you need to wear a helmet and a jacket and a proper riding gear. When I say that, riding shoes and gloves when you're doing a ride. So that happens when you pick up a motorcycle and a delivery is given. To that extent we do, but as a brand we don't preach, because it's all about freedom. So it's totally up to the rider to decide what freedom means to him. But it's a great point, because confident riding, and we say confident riding because freedom is a big part of it. So we will be launching, like I mentioned, something which will promote that from a brand perspective. You will see in another coming 2-3 months, we'll be launching an initiative on confident riding from a brand perspective. Spread it actually to 70MT and Fox, and more importantly, every other rider who's come here. Today, from day one when we started India Bike Week and the National Rally, they were a handful of people, and today you see people from 300cc to 600 to 8. I mean, you see all kind of bikes. So it's getting there. I personally feel that it's going to turn up something really great. You have great festival, you have great vibes. You have people from all over the country. You have great stages, great music. You're a great music fan, I know. So good music. I know not as good as you might think, but it's good. So I think it's a great vibe. It's the only event which is covering motorcycles, and everybody who loves bikes is here. So there's a long way to go. There's lots of things to do, but I give a lot of credit to the organizers. Fantastic job. Now this time, when you're at the event and you have to do you have to get your hands dirty. So it's a bit, but yeah, maybe next year we were planning that we will ride. That'll be the 5th year of India Hog Rally and National 5th year anniversary for India Hog Rally. So definitely we'll ride down there. So we don't disclose future products, we don't talk about, but being customer-led, we do a lot of research. So there's a lot of feedback coming to us, and at our at product planning in the US or regional headquarters, we listen to our customers. So of course, there's a lot in the pipeline. We may not want to talk about it right now, but we're looking at, Mark was here, our VP and Managing Director of Asia Pacific, and even Vikram mentioned that we're listening to customers. We'll be launching things as and when there is a need. So true. I think customization, like we say, no two Harleys are the same. So customization is the DNA of Harley Davidson. This year we had a competition which is the custom hog and the custom dealer. So we had 40 bikes from the hog members, and we have 20 bikes for the dealer custom. And there's 9 Bridges, which is our dealer in Ahmedabad, has won the dealer custom. And we have another hog custom who's won, I think that's a Bad Boy. And both of them are actually going to Sturgis this year. So that'll be the 67th Sturgis. So we are sending them, because that's the mecca of motorcycling. And once you see that, there's so much inspiration you get as a rider, and for dealers, of course. We want dealers to spend more and more time in understanding what the customer wants. So for example, in Bombay, our dealer has inbuilt workshop which is called Motorme. Actually, you know about it. So dealers are spending a lot of time and effort in understanding the need in the market, and especially what the Indian customer wants. So there's a lot of effort going to the dealer network, and we'll keep spending and giving more back to the community for them to go see what happens internationally and come and probably invest here as well.